Well, that chaos up front completely threw me off my game, and I didn't do my intro. So yeah, I'm here at Knott's. In fact, I still got my fast pass. I haven't even put it on yet. I'm gonna circle around. I'm gonna do an update on Montezooma. Is really the biggest thing that I'm looking at. Maybe check out Ghost Town and what's going on over there. Get some rides in Xcelerator. Just get out of here, but let's enjoy our morning. Wow, what a major difference it's been since I was. Thank you, Sierra. Nice and loud this morning. Yeah, wow, a lot of construction, a lot of track has been put on. Now, I've been told that we're just getting new trains and nothing re-imaged. It's going to be the same ride except for the LSM launch will be there. It won't be the old flywheel. But that's so cool. Now, if it does have the random launches back and forth, that would be awesome. That's at least something that's cool, different about anything else we're doing at the park. But let's go look. Let's go look at the other side and see if we can check and see if we have anything else out. Oh, who's out? Maybe enemies out? Oh, no characters. Sorry. This is a new one for me, Beagle Express Railroad, but I think we can get some views of Mana, so let's check it out.
Exactly. Fortunately, there's only one contestant this year. And one winner After a long day of competing in contests, there's no better way to end the day, and the Beagle Scouts are earning their final merit badge of the day. The badge for sharing.
Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed your time on the Beagle Express.
Super stoked. That was awesome. Got on Beagle Express Railway. I just had a hunch, just a hunch. That's who some of these guys are getting their videos from. Hey, I'll share, I don't care. I just want to see the darn thing getting built, share with everybody else that is getting built. So take a ride on the Beagle Express, grab a row and check it out. Stay on the right side, and that will give you the most views. And then you switch over about halfway and go to the left side, and again that'll give you some more views of Montezooma's getting built. At least over by the loop, that side. The side over here, I'm kind of checking it out. Coming through Camp Snoopy right now, so we'll see. So you can see it's about 10:30, 10:35. It's not real busy right now. There's a lot of people waiting at the gate. Again, I was able to get through with Prestige so faster, so I'm already in and through and almost to Xcelerator, as you can see. But we're not really focused on that. Let's take some more Montezooma video. I'm on the backside. A lot to see from this side, from the Fiesta side. I guess if you went up and rode on Jaguar, you could get into the view. But the new track is the new track. It looks like maybe some of it is reconditioned track, so that's kind of cool. I got a little blurbage on it. I don't know if that's the guy screwing around. I won't lie. The dudes at Knott's are hilarious. They put, you know, Top Thrill Dragster on one of their boxes. Everybody went nuts. And then they put King to Cut and everybody went nuts. None of those were anything. None of them. Everything was just the same stuff, normal stuff from Knott's. So good job, Knott's. Maintenance having a fun laugh. So I do think this is coming open this year, though. I do believe that this is going to be up, running, tested, and open by this year. As you can see, Fiesta Village this morning at 10:45 is empty. There's some rides being ridden with a lot of people on them, but no lines waiting for the rides, so that's good. I'm still walking back. I'm going to try to see what Xcelerator's line is going to be like. Do I need Fast Pass? Most likely not. Is it open? That's the question always. So let's go. Damn, that's a pretty bitty wait in that. That's a pretty bitty. That's a pretty busy wait in that station. Let's see how long the lines are actually. Looking at the ramp right now, they're just walking up the ramp, so there might not be any line, and they're just walking up the ramp. So this actually could be just a walk-on station. So let's check it out. Xcelerator front row. There's just something different about coming over the top of that thing and dropping my hands out front and being like, ooh, but it's not it's ooh. So maybe we'll go for ride 2, maybe 3, 4, 5. I don't know. I'm gonna be around here for a little bit. I totally forgot. Today is the Ace Informal meetup at Not Very Farm for Preservation Con. So awesome. Maybe I'll see some buddies. Last row Xcelerator, left side. That's the spot. That is absolutely the best spot on the whole coaster. Let's grab a picture. Take a note right there. I thought Boardwalk Barbecue was open at 11, but it's open at 12. So it's either back on Xcelerator. Well, let's walk around a little bit. I think I'm gonna walk around a little bit. Check the park out some more. One of my favorite places to eat is the Prop House. It's got that salad, the chicken Caesar salad, and I enjoy that because it is a healthy meal for me. So let's face it, I don't always eat the healthiest, so it is nice. They have drinks inside, place to sit. It is a nice spot. So if you're ever looking for something different, I don't recommend the pizza. I'm not like, oh, dude, get the pizza, bro. But you know, the salad is decent, and they will custom make it for you. So that's an awesome thing. And today is absolutely the day you should be going in the Calico Rapids or whatever the heck that thing's called. I always say it wrong. But any water ride right now, it's about 82 degrees right now, and we're at 11:30. It's only gonna get hotter. You know that line already. Oh, the miner's out. I waved. I think it was a little girl waving too. So the miner at least saw me or the little girl or both of us and still waved. So awesome. So I know for a fact that that kitty cat was not dressed like that, or the cup on the other side. So they're playing around and moving stuff, which is awesome. Sweet, 12:31. Just had lunch at Boardwalk. I did have rotisserie chicken. I was good. Except for I had a cornbread. But that's all right. You can only do as much as you can, right? You know? So I'm gonna get some quick rides. Hopefully one, maybe two rides in Xcelerator. I got about 30 minutes. Then they got the informal meetup at HangTime. So let's stick around, see what kind of trouble I can get into. Love me some Xcelerator. Got me I believe that's my third ride. That's the second time in the, actually that was row 11. Ooh, Rolo, what are you doing? Got row 12, got row 11, both left sides. I got row 1 earlier. So I've gotten 3 rides in. We checked around, we did some eating, and now we're gonna go in the informal ACE meetup to just check out everybody who's there, see if I know anybody. If I do, maybe I can ride a little more. If not, I might be out. Quick little update, you know, Montezoomas, and that's all we needed. Let's go. Oh yeah, I meant to update the Xcelerator Fast Pass. I do a bad job of that, I won't lie. I apologize. It was 16 minutes from queue to getting off the ride. Not bad. This is not a 15-minute Fast Pass wait. Little maintenance issue with a little wait, but 12 minutes ain't bad. So in reality, I guess it was 15 minutes, but that's from queue to wait to get off, you know what I mean? So not 15 minutes to wait. If they recognize me, they know to wave. I love that. They're just like, oh my God, I love it. That's awesome. Just sitting there waving. Again, I've said it. I think that's an amazing job. I hope they get treated well because they treat the kids well and they're excited to be around the kids and the kids love seeing them. So that's awesome. And just like that, I handed out my Fast Pass and my single-use Fast Pass to some random users. So hopefully they get some use out of it and awesome. If not, then sad beaver. I at least tried to help somebody have a better day. Yeah, that's all good. Great day, Knotts. Great update on Montezoomas. It's coming. It's getting built. They're taking it step by step, day by day for sure. Wicked awesome. Love seeing it. Love seeing the updates. Be nice if Magic Mountain was on that path, but they're not. So we have to go with Montezooma's update. Thank you very much for that, Montezooma and Knott. Woo woo. Well, you know, as I always say, keep your hands up, your seatbelt buckled, and your damn phone in your pocket. How hard is that? In your pocket.